Pluto. The name conjures images of a distant, icy world at the edge of our solar system. For decades, Pluto was celebrated as the ninth planet, an emblem of discovery and a symbol of the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. But in 2006, everything changed when Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision by the International Astronomical Union (IAU) sparked controversy, confusion, and even outrage among astronomy enthusiasts. So, why is Pluto no longer considered a major planet? To understand, we need to delve into the history of planetary discovery, the science of celestial classification, and the specific characteristics that define a planet. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, and for much of the 20th century, it was celebrated as the ninth planet in our solar system. However, astronomers quickly realized that Pluto was an anomaly. Its orbit is highly elliptical, sometimes bringing it closer to the Sun than Neptune, and it's tilted at an angle compared to the orbits of the other planets. Pluto's size was another issue. It's smaller than Earth's moon, and its mass is only a fraction of Mercury's, the next smallest planet. These peculiarities led astronomers to question whether Pluto truly fit the mold of a planet. The reclassification of Pluto began in the early 2000s with the discovery of Eris, an icy body in the Kuiper belt that is nearly the same size as Pluto. Eris was one of many objects found in this distant region, which lies beyond Neptune and is populated by icy debris left over from the solar system's formation. If Pluto were to remain a planet, then so too might Eris and potentially hundreds of other Kuiper belt objects. This realization prompted the need for a clear, universally accepted definition of what constitutes a planet. In 2006, the IAU established a formal definition of a planet based on three key criteria. A celestial body must orbit the Sun, it must be spherical in shape due to its own gravity, and it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, meaning it dominates its orbital zone by gravitationally interacting with and clearing away other objects. Pluto meets the first two criteria. It orbits the Sun, and its gravity gives it a roughly spherical shape. However, it fails the third criterion. Pluto shares its orbital zone with other Kuiper belt objects and does not dominate its region of space. This failure to meet all three requirements led to its reclassification as a dwarf planet. This decision wasn't made lightly, and it reflects our evolving understanding of the solar system. When Pluto was discovered, astronomers had a much simpler view of planetary classification. However, advances in technology and the discovery of numerous objects in the Kuiper belt and beyond forced scientists to refine their definitions to account for this newfound diversity. The distinction between planets and dwarf planets isn't just a matter of semantics. It has profound implications for our understanding of the solar system's formation. Planets like Earth, Jupiter, and Neptune formed in regions of the solar nebula dense with material, allowing them to grow large and clear their orbits. Dwarf planets like Pluto, on the other hand, formed in less dense regions where they couldn't accumulate enough mass to dominate their surroundings. Pluto's reclassification has also brought attention to the fascinating nature of dwarf planets. Far from being demoted, Pluto is now seen as the king of the Kuiper belt, a gateway to understanding the icy frontier of our solar system. NASA's New Horizons mission, which flew past Pluto in 2015, revealed a world of astonishing complexity, with towering ice mountains, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and a thin but dynamic atmosphere. These discoveries have shown that Pluto is no less intriguing than the planets. It's simply a different type of celestial body. The controversy surrounding Pluto's status also highlights how science is a dynamic process. As we gather more data and refine our theories, our classifications and definitions must adapt. While some people still view Pluto as the ninth planet in their hearts, its reclassification has enriched our understanding of the solar system and sparked public interest in astronomy like never before. In summary, Pluto's demotion from planet to dwarf planet isn't a slight against this icy world but rather a reflection of how far our knowledge of the cosmos has come. By setting clear criteria for what constitutes a planet, astronomers have created a framework that accommodates the incredible diversity of objects in our solar system. Pluto may no longer be the ninth planet, but it remains a vital piece of the puzzle in understanding the formation and evolution of the solar system. If you found this discussion intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that brings the wonders of astronomy straight to your screen. Let us know in the comments, do you think Pluto should still be considered a planet, or do you agree with its new classification? Let's explore the universe together.